In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot Tasks queues. We'll start from your HubSpot home screen and build a simple, efficient workflow you can use every day. First, open HubSpot and head to the CRM. From the navigation, click into Tasks. This is your central hub for follow-ups, calls, emails, and reminders. To organize and power through work faster, we'll set up a task queue. Inside Tasks, click Manage Queues. Queues are like focused to-do playlists. They group related tasks, such as call blocks or daily follow-ups, so you can work through them in a clean, sequential flow. This helps reduce context switching, improves consistency, and keeps you on track during busy outreach windows. Now, click Create Task Queue. Give your queue a clear, descriptive name. A simple naming convention makes life easier later. For example, include the function and cadence, like calls, new leads, daily. Keep it short but meaningful so teammates immediately understand what belongs there. Next, choose an access type for this queue. In our example, select Public. Public means anyone in your HubSpot account can view and use the queue, which is great for shared workflows and team coverage. If you prefer tighter control, you can use private or team-restricted options, but for collaborative sales or success teams, public is often the most practical. When you're ready, click Save to finalize the queue. Let's add a task to the queue you just created. Go back to your Tasks view and click Create Task. Enter a clear, action-oriented title so you know exactly what needs to happen when you see it later. Something like, Call Prospect about Demo Follow-up works well. Set the task type to Call. Choosing the correct type helps with filtering, reporting, and using call tools inside HubSpot. Then set the priority to High for this example. Priority flags help you and your team understand what needs attention first, especially when queues get busy. Now, assign the task to the queue you created earlier. This ensures it appears in the right workflow when you're ready to execute. Assigning tasks to queues as you create them is a best practice. Your future self will thank you. Finally, click Create to save the task. That's it. You've created a task queue and added a properly structured task to it. From here, you can open the queue whenever you're ready and work through tasks in a focused, efficient sequence. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.